Hey guys, what's happening? To update WhatsApp on your iPhone, open the App Store. You can type your profile picture at the top, right? Scroll down and find update, right? If WhatsApp included, as you can see, you're gonna see here, update WhatsApp if it requires an update, okay? Or you can just go ahead and update all of your apps here if required, right? Including WhatsApp, to get the latest version with new features and security fixes. If you don't see an update button, you might already have the latest version or need to check your automatic download settings in iPhone settings iPhone settings in App Store. You can go back and check. Go to the settings here, scroll a little bit down. Where is the App Store? Right, App Store here. And check for the automatic download option. Okay, so as you can see right here, automatically install free and paid apps purchased on other devices. You just go ahead and turn it on. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.